got a Groupon to call for duct cleaning, and they came out and determined that really wasn't suitable to just do the duct cleaning because the system was not in shape.
How did the needs for this project come about?
Originally last year I noticed the heat was not working properly, and I had asked to have it looked at. The person that looked at it said, "Oh, it's still working," but I knew it wasn't, so I needed to have somebody else look at it. Went up on the roof and they took a look at the system, determined that it's really old and that it needed to be replaced. Really, it was draining into itself and rusted out and causing all kinds of damage. Eventually, we ended up with a bad leak in the bedroom, and the roof was coming in, so it needed to be. It was getting severe. New system is incredible. Before it wasn't functioning at all, and now it's perfect condition. They had to take all the drywall off in the bedroom. There was mold. They came in and did floor to ceiling. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you for business.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah, take care.